This is Emily from AI Real Estate. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to buy or sell a property, or do you have any questions I can help with?
Hey Emily, I just want to book an appointment.
Sure, I can book an appointment for you. Are you looking to buy or sell a property? Let me know and I'll assist you further.
Yeah, I am looking to buy a property.
Great. What type of property are you looking for? For example, residential, commercial, or something specific?
I am looking to buy. So sorry for interrupting in the video. Uh, I want to say that if you are a business owner and want to know how this type of AI caller can help you in your business, there is a link in the description. You can book a free one-to-one call with me, and we can briefly discuss how this type of AI cold caller, AI callers can benefit you in your business, right? So if you're interested, just hit up the link in the description and book a consultation call in your preferable time. We can have a chat. For now, I will show you an AI cold caller which can answer your leads queries, which can qualify your leads and book appointments straight to your calendar if you are a real estate agent. And if you are a business owner or an agency owner who provide this kind of services to real estate agents, this video is also beneficial for them. So as you can see that I am in Retell right now. This is one of my favorite voice AI provider, right? So when you log into Retell, you will see a interface like this, right? So in this particular tutorial, I will also show you how to use edit prompt tree in Retell AI. Okay, so I will not gonna show you how you can implement the prompt here. I will show you how to edit the prompt tree and how to use that. It helps us to build a conversational flow based on the user's intent, right? So as you log in Retell, you will see this kind of interface. I will change the LLM model to GPT-4o. For now, I will the voice will set to Myra, and the language will be English. I will not doing anything here right now. So let's jump into the edit prompt tree. Before that, I will just save it and let's jump into it. So now you can see that I already built this AI edit prompt tree. This prompt tree help us to bisect our prompts in separate section, in separate blocks, so that the AI caller doesn't hallucinate. Most of the time when prompt is quite big and there are multiple functions and functionalities it should have, so in that time AI caller also hallucinate. So that's why an edit prompt tree or a conversational flow is must to have, so that the AI caller doesn't hallucinate on prompts, right? So you can see there is intro block. Here I give the prompt the role, just like my previous videos. You can see that the task and the context, right? Now what I did, you can see another three blocks, which is a buy block, inquiry block, and a sell block. Okay, so if a user wants to buy their property, if a user wants to buy a property, it will go to this block. In this H section, you can see I give the condition if the user looking to buy a property, right? Then if a user have any kind of inquiries, any kind of question, or want to book an appointment, so then it will go to this inquiry block. Why it will go to inquiry block and not to book appointment? Because I also set the condition for the book appointment. I will show you step by step why it is why I did this. So because what happens, sometimes a lead call them and straight ask for to book an appointment for them, right? So we can't book an appointment until we have their information, right? Like they are what they want to achieve with the appointment, Like, so maybe they want to buy a property or sell a property in maximum cases, right? For that I give the condition to both of them, right? So you can see I say that if the user ask any kind of question or want to book an appointment, it will go to this path. And this, what this block will do, this block will answer their queries using the knowledge base we are going to provide. Or otherwise, if they say that I want to book an appointment straight, so if the user directly says that they want to book an appointment, tell them, sure, I can book an appointment for you. Are you looking to buy or sell a property? Okay. And as soon as the lead says that yeah, I want to buy a property, it will go to this block again, right? Or if the lead say no, I want to sell a property, so it will go to this block, right? I think you got the point why I add this condition in this inquiry block, right? So in the edge you can see if the user looking to buy a property, it will go to this block, and if the user want to sell a property, it will go to this block, right? Now these both blocks comes to the book appointment block, right? So in this buying block, you can see I give some sort of questions to ask to qualify the leads before booking an appointment. So what it will do, it will first ask what type of property are they looking for. Then it asks what are the must have features the property should have, what is their estimated budget for buying the property, any kind of preferred location if they have, ask about their email and name, and then it will run this property checking function. Now it has another functionalities in this buying block. So what it will do, let's assume an let's assume an lead comes to in and said that yeah, I want to book an appointment. Okay. And they tell them that yeah, I want to buy a house, it should have 3 bedrooms, one bathroom and one garage, something like that, right? And their estimated budget is $1 million, right? Then they said yeah, my preferred location is Los Angeles, for example. Then they tell their name and email, right? Then what it will do, it will grab all of this information like the property types, its features, the estimated budget, and it will run this function. And what this function will do, it will send them an email with the property details which may suits their needs, right? It will first check the database or the property listing database which the the real estate agent gonna have, the property listing database. It will search the property listing database, and if it see that yeah, there are some properties which may suit their needs, so then it will send the all of the property details in their email, right? You can send the images of the property, you can send any kind of videos, you can send any kind of additional features it have, right? So then when it send the property details in their email, it will ask them if they want to book an appointment with their real estate expert to discuss more, right? Now obviously the lead's gonna say yeah, I want to discuss more about it, right? And what if the AI caller, this function couldn't find any property which suits their needs? In this case, it will say that I didn't find any property listed for now which may suit your needs. Okay, so do you want to book an appointment with a real estate expert? With a real estate expert, and they can guide you more on that, right? So this is all the buying block will do. I think it I hope it makes sense, right? So when they say yeah, I want to book an appointment for with your real estate expert, so it will go to this block, right? Okay, so before coming to this block, I will go to I want to go to this block and show you how it shows. So in this block, in the selling block, you can see that I also enter the questions, also give the prompt to ask this kind of questions. So what are the questions? Ask what type of property they want to sell, inquire about their desired timeline for selling the property, the property details, the price range in their mind, if they have any kind of if they have any kind of price range for their property selling, right? uh, the location of the property, then it will again ask for their name, email, and tell them to spell it slowly so that the AI caller can get it correctly, right? Then it will ask them, so okay, so would you like to book an appointment with a real estate expert? He can help you more in this case, right? So yeah, in usually they say, yeah, I want to book an appointment. So now it will go to this path, both the blocks go to this block, right? So uh, you may say, what is this now? This is the variables it gonna capture from here, so that we don't need to ask their name and email again, right? So you can see how you can do it. I will show you how you can do it, right? You just have to, I will show you step by step. Let me complete it first. Okay, so you can see, for now you can assume this is the variable. It will capture their name from this block, it will capture their email from this block or this block, based on their intents, right? So now this in this block you can see the, I said that follow these steps. So it will first ask about their preferred time to book an appointment, as we already have their name and email, right? Now it will run this check availability cal6 function to check the available time slots in the calendar to book or schedule an appointment. So if the time is available, it will run this function. I didn't set up any tools or function right now. I will show you how to set up so that you can set up easily. If not, offer them the closest time slot as per their asking. I give it some notes, like my what is the what is the time zone, how to check the calendar available slots, what is the current time. It is important to know the current time, as the AI caller doesn't know the current time. So how you can uh, inform the current time to the AI caller? By using this, right? Now then it will check the availability, and I gave some instruction though, so that it can't do any mistakes, it doesn't do any mistakes, right? Now you can see this is all. So this is the whole workflow. You can see this is all you need to build, right? So now I will show you how can you transfer all of their name and email to this block. For not only this, for this also. So you just have to click on edge, and you can see the store call info as variables. You can store the information as variables and use it in another block like this block, right? So you doesn't need to do anything, you just need to click on example, and you just need to copy this, and you just need to go to chat gpt and tell them that I need only the name and the description, sorry, the email. Okay, edit it like this way so that I can have the customer name and the customer email. Make sure to have the same variable like this, I mean name and email. If you are using customer name, so make it like that way. Make sure to have the same variable in each places, right? So that you can and paste it. If you are using if you are saving the variable as a customer name, you need to use it here also. just make sure to use the same variable, right? So it will give you the JSON here, and you just need to format the JSON. It will format the JSON and everything is ready to go. So what I will do now, I will just copy it. Okay, let's just, okay, so I will just copy it and then I will just paste it here also, right? You can see I paste the same because in this block I will I also ask for their name and email, and they I want to capture them also and use it in this block, and make sure to save everything, right? So it will save everything. Now the workflow is ready. Now we need to build the functions like this property checking functions. I think I have built it. I already built it. You can see this is the property checking name, the custom function name. You just need to add tools and hit this custom function. It will show you interface like this custom function. You just need to give it a name. So you just need to give it a name. The description, use this function to check if there is any property available which suits their needs. Then you need to add the webhook URL. So you just need to head over to make.com or any kind of workflow automation tool. You just need to add a custom webhook, right? And then you just need to copy this webhook address, copy this webhook URL, and you need to paste it here, right? And again you need to add the parameters as I shown before. You can go to chat GPT and tell them that I need the properties estimated price, right? The name of the person, the maybe the property type, the details of the property, like. So it will you can just copy and paste the JSON and tell it what you need. It will give you the JSON structure and you can use it easily, and you can choose peak during execution. I save it to let me check if there any property listed which suits your needs, right? So now you can see that this is the property checking function I built. You can build the same way, in the same way, right? Now for here there is no function, there is no function we need. So now I'm gonna build the book appointment function. It is pretty easy. I already showed in my previous video how to do that, because there is already some functions like check calendar availability, book on the calendar, right? So it is quite easy. Let me show you again how to do that, right? You need the API key first of all from cal.com, right? So just go to cal.com, just go to settings, and after that go to API keys, right? You can see I already built some API keys and that is expired now. So I will say real estate, give it a name YT, and set it to 7 days because I don't need it after this video, and save it. It will give you API key. Then you just need to copy and paste this, right? Now you need the event type ID. What is an event type ID now? Just go to back from here and you can see event types. You can see many event types I already built. I build a new one for real estate, so I will say add real estate, right? The duration maybe 30 minutes or more. I am just setting it to 30 minutes. You can make it to 1 hour or anything like that as you want. Then continue. it will create a new event, right? And you can have the event type id from here. You can see this number. This is the event type id, right? So you just need to copy it and um, paste it here, right? Now you just need to adjust the time zone, right? I will set it to my time zone, right? And yeah, then you just need to save it first. So first save it, and after that you need to add another function called book calendar, book appointment, right? So again we need the API key. Let's copy the API key again from here, then paste it again. The event type id also copy it and paste it here, and also adjust the time zone, right? Control V, right? So I think everything is fine now. Just change the calendar name in the the function name in the prompt. Here is it, paste it here again. This copy this, so copy this and book appointment, yeah, paste it here. So if you are worrying how I can build all of this prompt, where I can have all of this prompt, so don't worry, I have my own free Discord community where I share all of these resources, all of the prompts, all of the templates for free. You can just join my free Discord community and you will have all of this, right? The link is in the description, so just join it and enjoy, right? So make sure to save it. I think now everything is ready. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it seems good, right? And I don't think there is anything I need to do. Let's check it again. Okay, yeah, it is already built. Yeah, there is no need to build any functions. It is also good, right? Okay, so now I will show you how you can build this property checking function so that you can send the property test to their email in make.com, right? So I will go to make.com. You can see the automation is already built. So I will share the exact blueprint of this automation in my Discord community, so you can join it and just export it to your make.com account, right? So first of all, it will capture all of the information, all of the information like the property type, like the property features it should have, like the property estimated budget, right? Then it will search row in Google Sheets, right? You can see I am using Google Sheets as a database right now. You can have any kind of database, any kind of CRM you are using for property listings, right? So you can see it will just filter the process. So property type should be contains this, I mean this information. The property type we are going to capture from the prospect or the lead. The estimated price contains this, should be contains this, and the location should be this, or I will not add this. It is not necessary to add this, so I will just cut it out. Now what it will do, it will capture all of the needs of the leads, like the what type of property they want, what type of location they want, what is their estimated budget. Then it will search the rows in Google Sheets and see if there is any kind of similar properties which may suit the leads needs, right? So then I add a router, you can see. So here I set up a filter. First go to this way. So the filter is the property type is should be equals to this results, and the estimated price should be equal to this again, and the location should be equal to this again. So if we found that, it will go to this part. So what it will do, first it will aggregate the values, right? You can see, you can just map these things like this, and everything is ready to go, right? I'll just do this and hit OK, right? Just add a text aggregator tool, then you can have set the same settings. Then you need to set a variable, right? So just set a variable. You can add any kind of value, any kind of message here, and just add this text thing in here, so it will show every details here, right? So it will set a variable. Now we can send an email from, as we already captured their email also. So to the recipients you can map their email. So you can set any kind of subject, then the content, you can structure the content like your way. I just structure it like this. So I said here is the property details of mentioning their name, and then there is the details, right? You can also add attachments if you want to. As I am using Google Sheets, I can't have the images right now. If you're using any kind of advanced CRMs or property listing software, so you can have the images, videos also, and attach it here, right? See, now it will send the email to them, and then it will say I have sent you some property details which may suit your needs. Then they will mention their name, like, hey John, would you like to book an appointment with our real estate expert, right? So it is the webhook response. The webhook response should be in this format, right? So make sure to have it. And if there is no property available, like which may suit their needs, it will go to this webhook response, right? So what it will say, it will say sorry name, there is no property available which suits your needs, would you like to book an appointment with our real estate expert, right? So it is a fallback. If it doesn't go to this path, it will go to this path, right? So this is the exact system you need to build in make.com, and everything is ready to go, right? So I think I already uh, shown you everything.
Hello, this is Emily from AI Real Estate. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to buy or sell a property, or do you have any questions I can help with?
Hey Emily, I just want to book an appointment.
Sure, I can book an appointment for you. Are you looking to buy or sell a property? Let me know and I'll assist you further.
Yeah,
Is there anything else I can help with?
yeah, I am looking to buy a property.
Great. What type of property are you looking for? For example, residential, commercial, or something specific?
I am looking to buy a house.
Got it. What are the must-have features you're looking for in the house?
It should
All right, what
be,
are the must-have features you'd like?
yeah, it should be a 2 bedroom and 1 dining house in Los Angeles.
Got it. What's your estimated budget for buying the property?
It's like $1 million.
Understood. Can you confirm your name and email address? Please spell them slowly so I can get them correct and send you the property details.
Yeah, my name is Adam, Adam.
Thank you, Adam. Could you please spell your email address for me?
Yeah, my email is AIQUANTAA gmail.com.
Just to confirm, your email is iquanta@gmail.com, correct?
Yeah.
Let me check if there is any property listed which suits your needs.
Sure.
Great. What's your preferred date and time for the appointment?
Yeah, my preferred date is tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Checking availability for tomorrow at 11 a.m. The slot for tomorrow at 11 a.m. is unavailable. However, I can book it for 11:30 a.m. instead. Does that work for you?
Okay, then book it at 11:30 a.m.
Booking your appointment for tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Your appointment has been successfully booked for tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. IST. Let me know if you need any further assistance.
No, thanks.
You're welcome, Adam. Have a great day.
So let's see if it sends me the property details in my email or not. You can see everything works fine, right? It goes to this route. It should send me the property details, so let's check it. So this is the previous one I tested. Let's test this for now. Okay, now the time is maybe 12:15. Let's see something in 12:14. Yeah, so you can see this is the email I have received in at the time of 12:15, which is 1 minute ago. This means that the AI caller worked properly, and this is the confirmation that my event has booked, right? This is the same email I used before when I am testing it, right? So you can see that everything works fine, everything is super smooth, right?